Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of trading and how you can maximize your experience with the BingX platform. If you're looking to enhance your trading journey, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the BingX bonus code. By using the special code associated with BingX, you can unlock exclusive bonuses that will elevate your trading experience. These bonuses are not just a gimmick. They provide you with additional funds that can help you explore various trading options, giving you a better chance to increase your profits. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are these bonuses and how do you claim them? It's simple. By signing up on BingX and entering the bonus code CHUCHU, you'll instantly gain access to these special offers. This code opens the door to enhancements in your trading account, which means more opportunities to trade without the fear of significant initial losses. Using the BingX bonus code can significantly enhance your trading strategies. You can experiment with different trading pairs, test new strategies, and take advantage of market movements without risking your capital. Plus, the more you trade, the more you can potentially earn. But remember, these bonuses are limited-time offers. So, make sure to enter the code CHUCHU during your registration process to not miss out on exclusive rewards. It's all about getting the best start with BingX, and this code is your key to a world of possibilities. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss upcoming videos where we'll share valuable tips, insights, and updates about trading in the crypto world. In conclusion, using the BingX bonus code is an excellent way to kickstart your trading adventure. Sign up today, enter the referral code CHUCHU, and unlock your potential in cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for watching Crypto Kickstart, and happy trading!